in the homework tonight, there will be, it's for those that were in the class last semester, the same 8 problems that we did, which are say whether it's growth or decay. Because we did them all, there's only ones that we can do to practice that. And then there will be, then everything else in the homework is sketch graphs. Okay, when I say sketch here, I don't mean make a table of values. I mean understand the graphs, understand things like domain and range and intercepts, asymptotes. Put all those important details and then just sketch a graph. Right? You don't need to do table of values. When I see table of values done, when all you had to do is sketch, it makes it look like you probably don't really understand the function yet. Okay. In this case, there's only really 2 things to know about this, right? Is it growth or decay? Decay. What's the y-intercept? 24. So that much, I'm going to make my, that's going to be my y-intercept. I'll just label that 24. It's decay. Where's the asymptote going to be on this one? It's still going to be at y equals 0. We didn't do anything to shift that around. So there's the y equals 0. So here's the sketch of the graph. That's what I mean by sketch. Right? Understand the shape that you expect. In this case, there should be the y-intercept and the asymptote. Now, if you put it in the calculator, let's see if I got that in there still. No, I don't think I do. I'll put this one in, clear. 24 times 0.5 hat x. Right. If you put it in the calculator and just sketch that from there, you're not going to get much credit because the calculator is making it look like it stops. It does not stop. It goes on infinitely along the x-axis and never quite gets there. But the calculator has trouble resolving that. So at a certain point, it just stops. And because I didn't change the grid here, the y-intercept is at 24. So since they're counting in ones there, it would be way, way, way up there. So it makes it look like it's kind of different, but it's really not. I mean, it all could be made to look the same by just changing your scale. But don't just copy something that's on your calculator screen. You're supposed to know more than that. Okay.